This is gonna be so amazing. I am so excited. So I just got a box and was told that it might be my Christmas gift. So we're gonna see what this is. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous this is. I have been wanting. Look how cool this big bust is. Now I can put my big necklaces on it. Happy holidays. We hope you unwrap many glittering opportunities in the coming year. With love, Paparazzi team. What? I am like freaking out. These are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these are so nice. I like want to play with jewelry right now just so I can put stuff on here. Okay, just had to share with you my amazing gift I just got. Hope you have a wonderful week and know that I love you. Bye.